guys, I hope you're alright. I'm just filming a quick summer essentials video. I've not filmed a I can't talk. I have not filmed an essentials video in a really long time. I think I've only ever filmed a fall/autumn essentials. So yeah, this is just a really, I don't know, I'm just doing this with a bit of fun because I usually only make lookbook or what I wear in like a week/month of videos. So I just thought I'd do something different. So with that being said, I don't know why I'm pausing so much, but sorry, with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So my first essential, which should be everyone's essential, obviously is sun cream. Whether it's like a spray form, this is just like the normal Nivea cream form, or it's in a moisturizer, sun cream, and don't forget to do your neck. Yeah, sun cream. I'm quite lucky in the sense, like, I don't touch wood, I don't really get bad sunburn, but I do obviously want to protect my skin. I don't want it to age, and I don't want to, obviously, I'm not really tanned, but for an English person, and I have quite light hair, I'm not actually. Surprisingly, I think a lot of people think, because they're like, oh, don't ignore my roots, you need I desperately need to dye my hair. I mean, I need to go to the hairdressers, but I used to be really like white blonde when I was younger, and obviously then it went darker, and a lot of people were surprised, like a lot of people said to me, "Pence, you're really gonna burn." My pets have always been good, they're just slathers in factor 50, and we managed to tan with it. Yeah, that's a myth as well. Don't think like sunscreen will stop you from tanning. It won't. It will actually probably make you get a better tan because you could stay out in the sun longer and you won't get burnt. So like, I remember when we first went to, when I was young, when we first went to Mexico, like factor 50 wasn't as a thing, and like I don't know, it was one of the vets or someone told us while we're there, one of the locals, like, slather them in 50 and they'd be fine, they're able to go out in the sun all day, and we were absolutely fine. Like, our parents would obviously make us come out with it to like give us a break from it, but yeah, don't be afraid of the higher factors, you will still get a tan. That's one of my tips if you take anything from this video. So yeah, I've just got this Nivea, I just grabbed the first one because we all know what sun cream looks like. Oh, and here's another good tip. If you live in England, Lidl do really good sun cream. Like, honestly, it is like on par with the brand Nivea. This is a 30 High Protect. But honestly, the Lidl do, like, I put like a thicker one on, and then throughout the day, you know, once you've got your clothes on, I top it up with like a spray one. Oh, sorry, my ear's itchy, from Lidl, and that's a really good tip. Put a thicker one on, let that, you know, before you go out, let it all sink in. Like, oh, then it doesn't get on your clothes. Usually I apply it before I put my clothes on, and then when you're walking throughout the day, obviously your sweat, it will wear off. Top it up with then like a spray one. That's a good tip. And I also use like a factor 50 one for the face, but that's upstairs, and it's just a Nivea one, we don't need to. So yeah, that's another one of my that should be everyone's top summer essential. Moving on to my next essential. Well, it is for me, I don't know, I've just decided to pick handbags because I love like little cute handbags, so when you go away and, you know, matching to your outfit, obviously you can tell I like a bit of glitzy glitz, a little diamante. So I don't know if this is probably, no one's probably thinking this is very essential, but for me, it's a nice summer essential. So I love this one. This little nude bag goes with anything, and I like to take small bags when I go away because I don't like to take loads and loads. You don't want to be carting around loads of stuff with you, I don't know, like trekking up the side, and I don't think you take this to trekking up the side of the mountain, but walking up a steep hill, say in Italy maybe, because I'm going to Italy this year, and you do a lot of walking like in Italy, and say like in Europe. I know people hate when you call it like Europe, but you do a lot of walking in like the cities in France, Italy, Spain, even in England like London. They are very like walkable cities. Yeah, that's a good word, Tamara. Well done you. Yeah, so that's more probably a nighttime one. And here's my other little handbag. Yeah, but they're my essentials. A small, good handbag. I don't know why I picked the most glitzy ones, but I don't know where I'm going with this, so I'm just going to move on to the next. Like I said, I'm going to Italy, so my essential is a really good pair of like trainers. These are just some little Converse, but they're like, what's it called? Padded. So they're really comfy for walking around. I have like another pair like these, like Michael Kors ones, but they're like, I prefer more like a canvas style trainer to like a proper big thick sports trainers, because it is very warm, and obviously I'm not used to the heat because I'm English. I find more the canvas one more bearable. When I've wore like the thicker, you know, like the dad trainers, they're just too warm for me. and like, this sounds disgusting, they just, oh my god, I can't cope with them. So yeah, so like a canvas style trainer, which is, look, they've got little, I don't know what they're for, but they're quite breathable, so I prefer like a thinner canvas style trainer for walking around. It's especially a must if you're going to do a lot of walking on your holidays. So yeah, on to the next item. It's like the same item again. I like, I think, oh my god, I just dropped that. On holiday, a wedges are good. I had these ones from Zara. These are good day ones. I think these are more casual ones. But I think a wedge on holiday is really good. I know they're not as in fashion as they used to be, a bit 2010 wedges, but they are so comfy for walking around. Into heels. I'm dropping. I think it's a good pair of sandals. So yeah, they're just these are just some new look, and they're, like I say, they're like got a bit of padding, so they're nice and comfy. So, and I feel like this goes with everything. So like a decent pair of sandals is another one if you're not into wedges and you don't know wear trainers, like a good sandal out. And my next, of course, it's a dupe of the Stanley. I know you're going to think I'm basic for this, but obviously you need a water bottle. You need to, important in the summer to stay hydrated. So yeah, I'm a basic, but this is just I think like from Handbag. Yeah, Handbag's, it's the dupe. It's not a real, I'm not spending £40, £40 on a cup. So yeah, just any really water bottle, preferably a reusable one. Then we're not single waste plastics, but yeah. Obviously you need to stay hydrated. My next essential is an after sun or a moisturiser. Obviously if you do unfortunately get a bit burnt and you've been out in the sun a bit too much, and after sun are really soothing. This is just a Malibu one. This one's alright. My favourite one, I think, is it called Banana Boat, I think. It's banana something. It's like a green jelly one. Those like are really good. This is good, but I think they're the really soothing ones. Anything with aloe vera is really soothing. Probably the best thing would actually be part of an aloe vera leaf, but some people go, I don't know, me and plants just do not mix, so I just buy the ones. But yeah, and this is a Body Shop Mango, sorry, body yogurt, and oh my god, it smells so nice. It looks like this. Oh, if you could just smell it, mango is my favourite, one of my favourite fruits to eat, and also obviously wear on my skin. So this just screams summer. It's a mango body yogurt from the Body Shop. You got, in the summer you might go on a beach holiday, or you might live by the sea, so you know, you go and have a swim. I think your hair tends to go through a lot in the summer, either swimming in the pool, swimming in the beach. So a Y2 comb and a hair mask is just any hair mask really. This one's give me argan oil and coconut oil. I love argan oil and coconut oil, it's so moisturising. So again, I always recommend, I never brush my hair with like a normal hair brush. It's either a Y2 comb or like a tangled tea type brush. But another one is, I've got a lip butter. Your skin, your lips, obviously your skin can get dry throughout going in the pool and in the sea, but also I tend to find the sun affects your lips, like you can get sunburned, so don't forget a good a lip balm with SPF is preferable. This one is just a coconut lip butter. This is just, I would put one with a SPF, but I can't find one with the SPF, so I just grabbed this one. This is just any generic lip balm, because I do think your lips tend to get, I think they get chapped in the winter, but I also think they can obviously get chapped. And you've also got the highest, more intense these, so you have to make, I would recommend a lip balm. Oh my god, oh sorry, lip balm with SPF in. And my last item is a perfume. I love this Yves Saint Laurent one, Libra. Oh, it's gorgeous. It has like hints of like lavender in. I just absolutely love this. I actually brought this last time I went on a holiday, and it just reminds me of my holiday. I brought it on the plane, so every time I spray this I just think back to my holiday. It's like my absolute favourite perfume. So yeah, just a nice perfume that I think if you treat yourself to one on holiday, it always reminds you of that holiday. And it's just nice to have a nice, I think it is a summery scent, this, so a nice fresh summery scent. And then I think every time you spray it, if you use it throughout the summer, then you spray it in the winter, you think back to the summer and all the nice memories you had. So yeah, a nice, I recommend this. So this is a very fresh summery scent, so I recommend this. And if I drop this I will cry. The bottle is like absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, the summer dresses, I absolutely love summer dresses, just any kind really, any pattern. I just love wearing dresses in general. I'm a bit lazy, I prefer them with the jeans and a skirt because you don't have to really match your top to them, but I don't know what it is. I used to really love skirts, but recently I've just been only wearing, well I do wear skirts still, but just in the summer I've only been wearing dresses recently. I'm struggling to find summer skirts that I like this year, so I've just been wearing dresses. But yeah, I just love any type of summer dress. And my camera battery, oh my god, my camera battery is just flashing. So yeah, I better love you and leave you. And yeah, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please feel free to comment, rate and subscribe, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye.